In this video, I'm going to show you how to appeal a terminated Roblox account and potentially get it back. If your Roblox account was banned or terminated, make sure to follow this guide carefully. First, open your browser and go to Google. Search for Appeal Roblox Account Termination and click on the first official link from Roblox. This will take you to Roblox Support website. Once you are on the Roblox support page, scroll down until you see violation and appeal. So click on it. You will now be taken to the account appeals section, and here's what to do next. If you see your terminated account listed, click on the ban and select appeal. If you don't see it, choose appeal something not shown. Both options will allow you to submit an appeal. Now fill out the form carefully. Enter the email link to your terminated Roblox account and confirm the email in the next box. This step is extremely important. Do not use a different email. Select the device you usually use to play Roblox, for example, PC, mobile, tablet, console, whatever. So for help category, choose moderation, and for subcategory, select I was wrongly moderate for my behavior. This gives you the best chance for your appeal being reviewed properly. So in the description box, write a clear and respectful message. For example, this, and then enter your Roblox username. Double check all the information, and once everything looks correct, click continue, submit the appeal. And after that, keep an eye on your email. Roblox will contact you there with updates about your appeal. That's it for today's video. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching.